making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy, ayy. Yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
Y'all, I love this chapstick. Like, it's just regular chapstick, but I cannot go a day without it. Like, so as y'all seen from the clips that just played, I'm coming to you guys 5 days later. Today is Saturday. I go back to work on Mondays, so we're gonna start our like prep video today. Really today I'm just coming to give y'all like this little talking intro, whatever, because I know tomorrow I may not feel like filming this, so I'm just gonna do it now. So as y'all see, I cut my hair. It's up because it looks bad right now. Like it's I need to wash it. I need to do it again. It got hot, so I started sweating, so the back is like done. But I'm gonna wash it and do it again before work tomorrow. Y'all see it got like a little bump in it. It look bad right now, so I'm gonna just put it back up real quick. But yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna start like the actual like maintenance stuff and start the actual like preparing for work. Tomorrow I'm gonna go, well not go, I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. I'm gonna do some type of skincare. I was gonna do my nails, but y'all, I waited too long to make this video and 3 of my nails broke, so they look like nubs right now. Like they look so ugly. Y'all see my hair is like stiff. Like what? That's one thing I don't miss about having a bob. Like if you don't do it or have it done, it just look real stiff. But yeah, like I said, I go back to work on Monday. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, I feel kind of everything. So I felt like, you know, some type of like self-care, some type of maintenance, some type of like services on myself was gonna make me feel better. You know, if you look good, you feel good. So that's just what this video is. I have a couple videos like this on my channel, like regular, no, this is really bothering me, hold on. Like regular like maintenance vlogs from home and stuff like that, because y'all know I do all my stuff from home. Everything I do is like simple. If I do my hair, it's like a simple like wash, blow dry, flat iron type of thing. My nails is usually just like a quick little manicure, clean them up, cut them, make them even. My eyebrows, I usually just clean up my eyebrows, and that's what we're basically, like I said, doing. I done did a couple videos like this, so I'm pretty sure y'all know what's about to come up. But if y'all don't, I'm gonna just put a list right here of what we about to do. And yeah, that's all for today. And I'm just gonna come to you tomorrow when it's time to like actually do my stuff, actually wash my hair, do my hair, stuff like that, and like actually start the video.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you disappeared. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar.
Y'all, so today is Sunday. As y'all seen, I just finished washing my hair. Yesterday I came and did an intro. I don't know why I did the video so spaced out. It was like I cut my hair a couple days ago, but then I came and made the intro yesterday, and today is gonna be the last day of the video. Today is Sunday. I go back to work tomorrow. So I just washed my hair. I'm gonna wait for it to air dry and then I'm gonna do it later. Right now I'm about to do my eyebrows and like some like skincare. So this is like my fake skincare routine. I was gonna try something new, but I was like, you know what, let me not mess up my face just for a video, go to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna have like breakouts everywhere. So this is what I use. I just use Noxzema. Like if I got a breakout, or if I see that, you know, a certain area of my face is just like extra greasy, extra like clogged up, I'll just use Noxzema in that area. And then, like I said, just wash it off in like a few minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do now. My chin been a problem lately, so I'm just gonna put Noxzema on my chin, and I think that's it. Like I said, I don't want to do too much and then end up breaking out and tomorrow will look crazy. So y'all see it's almost done. I'm just gonna take a little bit and like rub it on my chin. And then while this is like drying or whatever, I'm gonna just do my eyebrows. So like that, that's about it. Trying to think of anywhere in my face that gives me a problem. I'm not gonna put it anywhere above my lip because I'm gonna shave my mustache. So like I said, I don't wanna mess that up. I'm gonna put a little bit on my T-zone. Why did I put it there if I'm messing with my eyebrows? Like, we're gonna clean that off real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave that there and I'm gonna do my eyebrows like I normally do. Y'all know I use like a regular razor from the hair store, some like non-scented fragrance-free lotion, and like a little brush, and obviously a mirror. So I'm just cleaning it up, and like I said, it's not too bad, but I want to make sure I'm like fresh for work tomorrow. Y'all, and I think I just want to talk to y'all while I'm doing this. Yeah, just about like work, how I feel about going back. Or as a matter of fact, I'm not going to talk to y'all today. I'm going to talk to y'all in my next video, which is going to be like a spend the day with me type of vlog, like first day back at work. I put too much lotion, but first day back at work. So I'm going to talk to y'all tomorrow about how I feel about that. Originally, I had wanted to go to like appointments to like get all this done. I wanted to like set a hair appointment, set a nail appointment, stuff like that. But y'all, this is what always happens. I just like think about making the appointments and then I just be like, I could just do this at home. Yeah, I was like, why waste the money? Why, like, no. Like I said, my maintenance is so simple that it's like, why pay somebody to do it? Like my eyebrows already have a shape, and sometimes it just be like a little bit of hair out of place, but like I said, I'm like, why pay somebody when I could just clean them up real quick? And then it's like when I do a service to myself, I always like it way more than when I actually go get it done. So I'm like, why waste the money if they're not even gonna do it how I like it, and this is gonna be for nothing? And it's like I said, I already do all these services to myself like every 2 weeks. So it's just like doing my eyebrows probably take like 5 minutes. Y'all see, I could talk to y'all while I do my eyebrows. Doing my hair probably take like 30 minutes. So like I said, it's like, why pay when I could do this in like less than 3 hours? Do y'all want like an in-depth tutorial on how I do my eyebrows? Because I feel like a lot of times when I come here, I just do them and y'all just watch me, but I never really like show y'all. But it's like everybody's eyebrows is different. So basically, I just like brush my eyebrows up and then clean it up under there. It's like not much to it, but like I said, I could do like an in-depth video if that's something that y'all want. Or I'll probably do it on TikTok. That's where I do like my beauty content. What I am gonna say though is that I'm so nervous to like go back to work. I'm not gonna lie. I just don't know how I'm gonna handle like the stress of like the baby plus working full time. Like I ain't got no choice, but like I said, I'm just nervous for that because I get easily overwhelmed. I get easily like in my moods and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Noxzema on the top because I don't know why I'm breaking out a lot right there. So this is what I usually do, and just like I said, wait for it to dry. I look so crazy right now, but I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then I'm gonna go wash it off, and then we're gonna continue with the video. I think I'm gonna do laundry, then my hair, then probably come back to y'all.
Tell me what you see in me. be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap, you know, the thing I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, play, you right around the talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I you know.
Alright, y'all, so my hair is done. I haven't put down my baby hairs or put like any like actual like hair wax or grease in it. All I did was like spray like the little like olive oil sheen spray or whatever. And I'm not gonna lie, the past few clips have been like trash. Like my baby was like extra fussy today, so I had to like keep stopping, go check him, see what he was doing, see how he was doing. So I didn't have time to do like getting the angles or setting the thing up and stuff like that. So we just gonna appreciate those last clips. I'm gonna turn around real quick and show y'all the back so y'all can see what the back is looking like. I was gonna do my hair like straight, like bone straight, but I go to work tomorrow and I know my hair is not gonna last. I'm a teacher at a private preschool and I be moving, I be doing stuff. I don't stay still. I did my hair like this so I could put it up in a claw clip. It's not like staying out or anything like that. I feel like I look too old with it out. Like y'all know I like cutting my hair in a bob because it makes me look more mature, but this make me look too old. So I'm gonna put my hair, like I said, just pin it up in like a claw clip, go to work like that tomorrow, probably leave like a bang or two out just to like give it some type of like oomph. But this is what it's looking like. I actually like it. Like it's really, really cute. So I didn't get a chance to do my nails like I said I was supposed to do because I told y'all 3 nails broke off. I did my eyebrows, I did some skincare, I started my laundry, I'm about to finish it. And that's basically it. The rest of the video is just like getting everything together, like setting up my cart for the night, setting up my purse, doing like I said, like night stuff, like my little night routine. And I'll probably record some parts of it, but probably not. But I know for sure this is the last time I'm gonna come to y'all. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope that you guys are enjoying my content so far. We're gonna vlog tomorrow, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow anyways. But like I said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. It wasn't perfect. Y'all know when I do like my maintenance vlogs, I don't do a lot of the stuff that I say I'm gonna do because either stuff pop up or it just don't be working out. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably include some clips of me like getting everything ready, probably packing my lunch and stuff like that. Like I said, I just really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this or whatever's coming up on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that post notification so you know every time I post. So right now I'm gonna pack my bag. I just need to figure out what I want to bring to work. Most of these bags is from Shein. Like this is from Shein. This I thrifted. This is from Shein. Almost all these bags is from Shein for real. But yeah, I'm thinking about this one since it's like big and it holds a lot of stuff. So now I'm gonna just find stuff to pack in it. So I'm gonna pack a couple things to write with because I don't know why, but when I'm at work, I always get like content ideas. So I'm gonna go look for a notebook downstairs. I got my pen, pencil, marker, stuff like that. I found a regular notebook, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack that with me. I'm definitely gonna pack some pads because y'all know I'm in my postpartum period still, so I make sure I got some of these on me. Then I'm gonna go downstairs and pack like my water, my coffee, my lunch. Like I'm gonna prepare all that, so I'm just gonna show y'all once I'm done. But yeah, that's all that I'm packing, just like this. Probably pack my iPad, some chargers, and yeah, I guess that's it.